Today we're gonna go rafting.
Which river are we on? We're on the Delaware River. And it's gonna be about 3 hours. Okay?
Alright, let's get to the video.
Alright. So Leo, this is our little boat that we're gonna take down the river. What do you think? How's the water, guys? Luca, how's the water? Yeah? What can we find in here? What?
Megalodons.
Megalodons in the Delaware River? I don't think so. Nah, leave it. Don't pick it up. That's disgusting. Leo, that's disgusting. What are you doing? Come on. All right, guys. Time to cast off the boat. Let's go. Ready? Come on. Boom. Come on. Come on.
How did they put it all the way to land?
Oh, come on.
Dad, what is
I really wish I had water shoes.
Dad,
What?
Watch out, Luca. What is this? What is this? No idea.
What is that?
Is this a bone?
Come on. Get in.
Ow. It's so dirty. You can't. Not deep enough.
Yeah, let's clean it off. There's lots of mud in it. Alright, hold on. I'll clean it off.
So you want me to cut it?
It's not really too much of rapids here. But we're coming up to it, though.
I don't know how to paddle.
You know how to paddle.
No, I don't.
Come on. Sit and paddle. Just gentle. The current's going to take us. Look, you see any fish?
No. Just you, please.
See any fish, Leah?
Dad, when are we coming to the waterfall?
Pretty soon.
When?
10 minutes?
Dad, look.
What? What do you see?
What, a fish? No. Huh?
It sure is beautiful, though.
It's like a lake.
Isn't it beautiful? No.
Dad, I wish I could see that fish and jump in and catch it. And I'll throw it in the boat. Let me do it. I'll just wiggle around. I don't see anything.
Alright, we're coming up to rapids.
What are rapids? So, guys, we're on the rapids.
We're gonna get spun around. And hold this.
Okay.
Kind of shake it.
That's not a jump. Alright, so now we got stuck in a rock.
Get out of here.
Yeah, now we're really stuck. Up, but now we just got stuck. I'm gonna get out. We got stuck in the rocks. I'm gonna get out. You want me to get out? I was stuck.
Alright, we're back.
We just got stuck in a bunch of rocks. That's because
Guys, we're coming up to a big waterfall. Hold on.
oh my god.
Hold on, Luca, hold on.
Woo. Just came up a big waterfall. Why are we
Do
back?
not shake it around.
Why are we back? going on the big. Alright, we're doing a big wave.
And that is it.
Can we swim later?
Yeah. Whew. How was that, guys?
Good.
Luca, how was that? Alright, a little better now. Definitely a little more relaxing. What do you think, Luca?
I already got this I already got this like
Paddle.
15%.
Go.
And are we gonna go over a giant spot?
Think so. Maybe.
I can't paddle. It's
Pretty cool houses, right?
How you paddle?
Oh. We have 2 more hours of this.
Got another 2 hours. We need to be back because we're going out to dinner. But that's not gonna happen.
I hope we get more rapids. What if we get stuck out here?
We're not dead.
Do we have enough snacks and food? Alright.
Start paddling.
No. Let's paddle a little bit and we'll check back in about another half hour. See where we're at on the river. Alright?
Okay. Hey guys, so I'm gonna jump in. It's freezing cold, but I'm gonna do it.
The water's cold?
Alright.
Alright.
I'm not going. Can you stand?
No. But it's fine, you have a life preserver.
Come on.
Go. Go.
Come in. I wanna jump.
Jump in. Go. Go.
Come on. Just jump.
Jump.
Just jump.
Jump. Jump in. Leo, can you touch or not? Luca, go.
Yeah, it's like 10 feet. They said it's 2. Come on, Luca. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. You don't like it? Dad, I think the rest of the time you should paddle, we can swim. Dad.
Alright. Hold on, I'm turning around.
I think you should paddle, we can swim.
Okay.
How do we get back on?
I'll lift you up.
There's a shark.
There's no sharks in rivers.
What's this?
Luca, you can swim with that life preserver?
What?
You can swim with that preserver, okay?
Can you help me up?
You guys want to get up?
Yeah, I want to help.
No, we're not jumping in. Either you're staying in or you're not.
But why can't we jump in?
No.
Dad, can you meet us like a little older?
Alright, go.
Come on.
What?
It's a bean. In the water. What kind? Oh my god. Is it dead? Where? Dad, follow us.
I am. Going as fast as I can. In this boat. I don't have an engine in this thing.
Paddle.
Yeah.
Come in.
I'm not coming in.
Just paddle.
The captain never leaves his boat.
You did before. We crashed.
Oh, I had to get it off the rocks. And technically we didn't crash, we just... Okay, we crashed.
There's a full time. So Dad, you gotta find.
really not such rough rapids here.
What? It's nice here to swim.
How's the water?
Pretty good. It's cold.
Definitely is a beautiful river.
We have another 2 hours. How much, Dad?
Maybe 2 hours.
Hopefully we're going to be back at Roma. Okay. Can you come up?
Yeah.
I'm walking in water.
Come on, up.
I can't.
Up.
Can we go to the shore?
No.
And I'll jump up, please?
Mm-mm.
I can't get up.
All right, come on. You got to get on the boat, and then we'll go over there.
And we can swim over there for a little?
Yeah, and then we'll film some more. So we got a long journey.
But are we going to be back before dinner?
I hope so. I'm getting hungry.
Hey, let's hurry up. Let's like swim in like let's swim in like an
How about you swim and you push the boat? You pretend you're like a boat engine.
Okay.
Luca, what kind of sound you gonna make?
I don't know. No sounds.
Yeah, this is good. It's working. Luca, come catch up to the boat. Come on. All right. Let's see where we are in about 30 more minutes. Come on, Luca, catch up. We're back again. Luca, what kind of animals you see?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm getting a bee.
See you whack him with a life preserver?
Ah!
We're gonna pop the boat, and then we're gonna sink.
Where is it? Wanna go, Mr. Bee?
Ah! Ow! Hit me.
Oh my son.
What are you laughing at, mister?
Ew. Ew.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Yes.
Ow!
Did that hurt?
Yeah, it hurts. Ow! Stop, sit.
Why?
Sit down.
Oh no, Luca. What? Yeah, hit the
We're
wrong
going
one.
pretty fast right now. We're doing 1.1 miles per hour.
And that's really fast.
Hit boost mode. We're doing 2 miles an hour.
Dad, I'll give you a little boost. Ready?
Yeah.
Dad, you want a little boost? Ready?
Here it is. Oh no, it's getting low. It's getting low. Come on. All right, I got to row. Hold on. We'll be back. Coming up to a little bit of rapids again. What are you eating, Luca? Eating crackers on our trip? All right, let's see if we get stuck again this time. We're doing 4 miles an hour now.
How do you know?
I don't know. Guessing.
We're doing like 3 or something. Okay.
Yeah, boy. Let's not get stuck. Luca, you gotta sit down. Sit. No, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. It's coming up to rough water. Come on. I don't want you to fall out. Leo, get in the boat.
I'm getting ready. Get the tape.
And we're stuck. Leo, 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 get in, get in, get in, get in. Get in the boat.
Now we're stuck again.
Again. So now what do?
We will see you guys when we get out.
Let's hope we do get out. No. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just got out of the rocks. Now we're going kind of fast. Hopefully gonna be home because we have a reservation at the Aroma, going out to dinner, and it's at 7:30 and it's 4:50, so we really need to get there. But we have like another hour or 2 hours or something.
Hopefully just another hour.
Yeah. Another hour. We got another hour. So we're coming up to a little waves. Rapids.
How's your snack, Luca?
Fritos.
Moving pretty good through here. Uh-oh, another rock, another rock.
Oh, another rock, another rock. Dad, turn.
And we're going into...
So guys, we're 100% gonna crash into the rock, or not. Oh.
And we are stuck again.
That's what we needed. Not dead. And we're gonna get stuck.
And we're gonna get stuck. Oh, crap. I got it, I got it, I got it.
Hey guys, we just got stuck in a big rock over there. So we're gonna be there and be done in like 30 minutes. So we will start filming again when we're close. Hey guys, I think I saw like a shark or something. I don't know if it's a shark, but it had like a big fin. It was really big.
It definitely wasn't a shark. We're in a river.
Oh, so it's a catfish. So it was a catfish, and then I saw a sleeping eel. And Lucas saw a big eel or something. And then I saw some bones. So we just saw a deer. We're almost done. We're gonna be done in like 2 minutes. We just have to go around that turn. We had to go around a little turn. That? That's nothing. Oh, that's just a rock. So we will see you.
So how was that day on the river?
Good.
It's 3 hours they said it was gonna take. But it took
really 4 hours.
4.5 hours. We got stuck 1,000,000 times.
And
But it was pretty fun.
Yeah, we saw fish, we saw eels, we saw a deer.
Lots of deers. How many deers?
8. We saw 8 deers.
All right, Leo.
Okay.
Time to end this video.
So please get this video to 100,000 likes.
100,000? All right.
Try to make this video to maybe 2,000 likes.
Okay.
And we're 100 subscribers. Like this. Just smash it like this. Guys. And please smash the subscribe button like this.
Guys.